What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to active quick launch on Redmi Note 13R. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on additional settings. Now in additional settings, scroll down and click on gesture shortcuts, and after that open the action that you want to do with the quick launch. Now if you want to quick launch camera and you want to active this quick launch, then you can turn on double press the power button or double press the volume down when screen is locked. So after activating the quick launch, when you are anywhere on your screen, you can double press the power key. So you have to do it quickly. When you will double press the power key, it will open the camera. So that's how you can active quick launch in Redmi Note 13R. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.